Hello, everyone. Oh, happy day. It's a beautiful day outside. Raven is over there doing her thing. Look at the beautiful blue sky today. I can hear the birds chirping. Yeah, I believe we're getting ready to have some spring weather pretty soon. And I could not be more excited about that. I'm getting ready to get in this kitchen, do a little cleaning, which I don't like to do. Don't like doing the dishes at all. Hey, my kitchen's not too bad. I can't let it get too bad because if I do, I just really won't clean it. I'll just put it off, put it off, put it off. Those are the dishes from yesterday. Oh my gosh, I need to empty out my dishwasher. Let's see what's in there. Not too much going on in there. I think if I didn't have to empty the dishwasher, I would be more inclined to do a load of dishes. I just don't like emptying the dishwasher. It's like the biggest headache when it comes to cleaning the kitchen. But this is it for me. I just can't let it get any worse than that. Here's a baking pan that's been languishing in my oven for like a week. I just haven't wanted to wash it. I don't like doing dishes. so here's the end result. This was not a deep cleaning. I was just tidying up a little bit before work. And I actually have to stop now because I have to go to work. I'm not going to sweep and mop right now. It has to be done, but I can't do it before work. Okay. So everything is nice and tidy and clean. That baking pan that I washed at the end, that's a Rachel Ray baking pan. It's not the best baking pan in the world. I've had it for years and years. So it's no longer a nice aluminum color. It's dark now from use. But everything's clean in here. Okay. I feel so much better about life now. I always do whenever I clean my kitchen. Okay. I have to tackle my refrigerator next, but I did take that bowl of spaghetti out and I washed it. This is my little coffee station. I'm going to have some bean and avocado tacos for dinner. So I'm leaving out my avocado right there. I didn't clean my coffee pot because I just know I'm going to make another cup this morning. My beautiful cactus plant, Christmas cactus, fell off the table. I had it on the patio and it fell off. It broke up a little bit and I'm trying to revive it. So I'm going to leave it inside for a while. Got some little treats right there for my dogs for later on. And of course my recyclables. I will let this fill up a bit more and then take it outside. And so the kitchen is done for this morning. Nobody likes to clean the kitchen before work, and no one likes to clean it before bed. And of course, my dining room pretty much stays clean. There's my morning cup of coffee. And I threw up some shears at my window there. I don't know if I'm going to leave them there. I have a beautiful shade that comes all the way down. I have shades all the way throughout my house. Those are roller shades up there as well. They're very pretty. Give you kind of a close-up look up there. And roller shades over there. But sometimes I don't like to leave it all the way down, but I still don't want people looking in here. So I pulled out these shears. They're old. I've had them for several years, but I love them. And I thought, I wonder if this will kind of block people's view inside my house. Although you can't really see inside of here. My windows are kind of tinted. So you really can't see in from outside, but it just makes me feel better. So I just have them up on a tension rod, just an old school tension rod. Look at that. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna leave them this way because they're too long, they drag the floor. But for now, they make me feel better about life. And now it's time for me to get ready to go to work. So I bid you all good day. Have a fantastic day and do some housework. It's not always fun, but it's good therapy. It clears the mind. I will see you all later.